welcome with me on this the beautiful, the ravishing, मेरे दिल की चोर दीपिका पादुकोण.
Hi.
Hello, hola,
Hi.
welcome to IFA Madrid.
Chang, I've known you for so many years.
Yes, since
It's
I started
amazing.
singing, I guess.
Yes.
वाओ, हमारा रिश्ता उतना पुराना है, लेकिन उतना ही पुराना रिश्ता आपका आइफा के साथ भी है.
जी.
आपका उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
It's almost become like family. और हर साल we get to see a new place.
Yes.
हमारे फैंस के साथ इंटरैक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है हमें. And you know, I think it makes this whole experience that much more special.
You're performing multiple nominations. As a fan, I'm like ecstatic. मुझे इतनी खुशी है कि दीपिका is doing so well over the last couple of years.
Thank
But
you.
as the center of all that attention, आपको उसके बारे में क्या लगता है कि oh my god, nominations, expectations, आइफा में perform करना है.
No, I think मैं जो भी करती हूँ मैं दिल से करती हूँ. बचपन से ही मैं जानती थी कि मुझे कैमरे के सामने मुझे परफॉर्म करना है, मुझे एक्टर बनना है. And I think that is my mantra. If I decide to do something, then I do it
Right.
to the best of my ability.
और दीपिका, अगर आपको स्पेन में एक रोमांटिक डेट के लिए जाना होता तो वो कौन होता, आप क्या करते और कहाँ जाते?
Chang, unfortunately, you're not on that list.
हाँ, क्योंकि एक
You know,
I
but
like it.
I can buy you an ice cream afterwards.
Thank you. I would appreciate
and make
that.
up for it. Well, since we're in Spain, I would cook for Antonio Banderas.
Oh.
No?
Oh. क्या
No?
बात है. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. That is a
Or
very, very good
Javier
choice.
Bardem.
Ah, my goodness.
Both of them, maybe.
See, very, very good actors, very good looking, very
No?
charming.
I would cook for them. You know, do a picnic in the park.
Uh-huh.
That kind of date.
So that kind of date के लिए you would have to cook something Spanish for them, with a touch of Indian.
Of
है ना?
course, of course.
तो मेरे ख्याल से वो हम यहाँ पे सीख सकते हैं. एक बहुत खास दोस्त है यहाँ पे.
जी.
हम उनसे मिलेंगे और वो आपको थोड़ा सिखाएंगे, आप उनको शायद थोड़ा सिखाएंगे.
Okay.
It'll be a lot of fun. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hello, chef.
Hello, Deepika. So lovely to have you here.
Thank you, and I'm so excited about this. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज हमें स्पेनिश कुकिंग सीखने का मौका मिल रहा है और गेब्रिएला जो है हमें एक बहुत ही टिपिकल स्पेनिश डिश सिखाने वाले हैं. लेट्स डू दिस बिकॉज मुझे कुकिंग करना बहुत पसंद है, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मुझे खाने का बहुत बड़ा शौक है. सो या, लेट्स डू दिस.
This is a very traditional Spanish dish, paella. Paella is the name of the pan.
Okay.
Okay? And we cook rice in a totally different way than Indian food. I must say, I'm madly in love with Indian food. I adore Indian food. I even have a curry plant in my office.
Ooh.
So my
Yes,
favorite food in the world, I think, is Indian.
Tell us what vegetables are in
Oh,
this already.
yes. We have green beans, artichokes, eggplant, Swiss chard, pepper, zucchini, asparagus.
Yummy! That's all the vegetables in the world.
Fresh
My mother's
peas.
going to be really happy that I'm going to eat so much vegetables.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा.
I'm going to add a few curry leaves. I always like to add a few spices. This is going to be the Indian touch, the spicy Indian touch.
काफी सारे यहाँ पे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं वो हम अपने इंडियन फूड में तो इस्तेमाल करते ही हैं.
You have a good hand here.
Chef has said I have a good hand.
और दीपिका, मजा आ रहा है?
Yes, I'm loving it. And in fact, जब मैं स्कूल में थी and every evenings my friends and we would all get together. And I'll tell you this incident once where we decided to cook eggs.
Okay.
So we took four bricks, and we created our own fire.
अच्छा.
And we decided to bring some eggs from upstairs from the apartment, and everything was ready, the fire was going, the ingredients were all done, and it was the last step where we just have to kind of put the eggs in.
लेकिन जब कह रहे हो लास्ट स्टेप तो कुछ तो हुआ ही होगा फिर.
Listen, so we were like, where are the eggs? I brought the eggs, where are the eggs? We can't find the eggs. So I was like, okay, now forget it. Let's just go up and get some more eggs.
Mm-hmm.
And I got up because we were sitting down on the floor, and I got up.
Oh no.
I sat on the egg.
Oh no.
So that was my first experience with cooking. And then cut to now where Gabriella says I have a good hand. So, there's always, you can always get better at things.
Yes, with practice.
And I enjoy baking. I enjoy baking actually a lot. I do bake a lot. And I love making naan katai. मुझे नान कटाई बनाना बहुत पसंद है. So, yeah.
कोई ऐसा कोई स्पेशल है जिसके लिए आप बनाते हैं फैमिली में, फ्रेंड्स में?
I think मेरे फैमिली के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए, I think पेरेंट्स बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं जब I think when children cook for their parents, it feels like, a sense of achievement for parents, I think. And I also find it very therapeutic. कभी-कभी weekends पे I enjoy cooking. I live alone and I like cooking.
Okay. And what did...
So this is chili powder.
Chili powder, paprika. We
So
have
we put
here.
lots. We put the whole thing.
You put as much as you like.
Indians like us spices.
रेनाउंड स्पेनिश शेफ गैब्रिएला को अपने कड़ी पत्ते के पौधे से बेहद प्यार है और वो कई बार उससे बातें भी करती हैं।
दीपिका, मुझे भी इसकी खुशबू से रसम और सांभर याद आ गया।
Oh my God! Don't.
दीपिका, क्या आप भी कोशिश करना चाहेंगी इस प्यारे से कड़ी पत्ते से कुछ बात करने की, जैसे गैब्रिएला करती हैं?
चैंग पता है?
हाँ।
करी पत्ता का जो ट्री है ना, जो ये प्लांट है, उसको स्मेल करना एक आर्ट है, आर्ट.
अच्छा.
Yeah, you'll never get it.
I will never get it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं बहुत डिक्शनरी नहीं लेके आया अभी. But it is beautiful.
This is lovely.
It is lovely, isn't it? It's a fabulous plant. Such a happy plant.
It is. It's done.
Oh, it's done.
तो ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और स्वादिष्ट शाम रही. Thank you so much Deepika for cooking this for us.
Thank
And can't wait to taste it. अभी मैं ऐसी कढ़ी डाल के बस खाना शुरू कर दूँ. Wow.